Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock the police vehicles in GTA 5 Online after doing the DLC of Chop Shop. Now, for that, firstly you need a particular set of missions, and the name of the mission will be Gang Banger Robbery, because only in this particular mission you will be able to get all the police vehicles and even the police outfit if you want to. And as you can see, this is one of the police vehicles that you can get. So just simply go to the computer, and as you can see right over here, the mission name will be Gangbanger Robbery. Now, in order to get the vehicle, first you have to complete all the scouting missions and all the side tasks. As you can see, I've completed all of them. Now, all you have to do is just simply launch the mission and complete the mission entirely. And after that, you will be able to buy the vehicles in the war stock. So, after completing the mission, just simply go to your phone, then open war stock, and right over here you will have the vehicles, as you can see. So, if you click on them, you will see that you will be able to buy them after completing the mission. So as you can see right over here, I have the access to buy this particular vehicle. If I click on that, I will be able to purchase that. And the reason is that I have completed the missions of this particular quest, as you can see over here. So you have to again buy the Chop Shop and then complete this particular robbery. And then you will be able to get your vehicle. And if you want to customize your vehicle, you can only do that in any one of your property like your office or your custom penthouse, because police vehicles cannot be customized anywhere else. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.